So after a lot of try and error, I finally found the perfect blueberry pound cake recipe, and I'm going to give it to you for free. So we start by prepping our blueberries by adding about 2 cups of blueberry in a bowl, and then sprinkle some flour to ensure that they are perfectly coated. And the reason for this step is just so that the blueberries do not sink to the bottom of the cake. Then to prep our dry ingredients, we add 3 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix that together and also set it aside. And I like to clean in between, it makes the job easier at the end. In the large bowl now, we are going to add 2 sticks of room temperature butter and add 2 cups of sugar, one at a time, by mixing in between, just so that we have a perfectly cream butter and sugar mix. Then to that we are going to add 5 room temperature eggs that we also add one at a time, and the reason is so that our ingredients are perfectly mixed together, since this is a pound cake. Then we can go in now with our dry ingredients by adding them in 2 times. So I first add half of the flour mix with a half cup of whole milk that I mix together. I add again the other half of the flour mix and half a cup of whole milk again. I mix together. I optionally added a teaspoon of vanilla extract, if you notice. Then I can go in with my blueberry, and I will not mix that so much. Then in a baking dish, or like I have like a loaf pan here, I add my butter inside and even the top, and bake it at 325 Fahrenheit for 75 minutes, which gives me time to ensure that my kitchen is clean. So now we actually couldn't wait. The cake was ready and we had to eat it hot. We could not wait. So it was really so good. I hope you can try it, and I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments.